Welcome to Toolsmet, your trusted destination for honest tool reviews and smart buying guides. Today, we're taking a close look at the wood router machine, an essential power tool for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. A wood router is designed to deliver precision, power, and clean finishes. Whether you're shaping edges, cutting grooves, making joints, or adding decorative designs, this machine helps you achieve professional results with ease. This wood router features a high-speed motor that provides smooth and consistent performance, even on hardwood. The strong build quality ensures durability, while the ergonomic grip offers better control and reduced fatigue during long working hours. One of the key advantages of this router machine is its versatility. It supports multiple router bits, allowing you to perform a wide range of tasks, from straight cuts and trimming to detailed edge profiling. The depth adjustment system is easy to use, giving you accurate and repeatable cuts every time. Safety is also an important factor. This router comes with a stable base and secure bit locking system, helping minimize vibration and improve overall control. With proper handling, it's a reliable tool for workshops, furniture makers, and home projects. In real-world use, this wood router delivers clean cuts, smooth edges, and consistent results, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking setup. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and affordable wood router machine, this one is definitely worth considering.